Hey petrolheads, and let's be honest from the very beginning, we all love rare cars and unique brands. We love Alfa Romeo. We at least used to love Jaguar before their new strategy with strange movies and fully electric future. And yes, we all want to drive something that wouldn't be so common on roads. That's maybe our main dream if we are a car enthusiast. But there is a problem with this choice. Let me start with my personal story. I bought this BMW 5 Series about 3 years ago, but what I really wanted to buy was Alfa Romeo Giulia, because it is so nice looking car, it is rare on roads, and of course I spoke to several owners of Alfa Romeos here in Emirates, and I just understood that if you need any part, absolutely any part, not talking about standard maintenance, but if something is broken, you would wait for it for at least weeks. And with a standard boring BMW, at least a little bit boring, you can find any parts in hours. For example, I had a problem that the camera module on my car went broken, and the original new part costed something like $600. And I went to the place where you can find all used parts, and I bought the same module for $70. Could you imagine? You cannot do it with Alfa Romeo, I don't know, Jaguar, Saab, or something that is not very common on your market. And you should be prepared. And prepared to do and to spend hell a lot of time on this car. But what if you are looking and choosing a new car? Then you have a warranty, right? Yes, you have a warranty, but it solves only the problem with the price of the parts, and that you cannot probably find some used parts. But talking about the waiting time, probably it would be approximately the same, or maybe even it would be higher, because for example, if you have a used car, then you can go to several shops, and here with a new car you go to the official dealership and you ask them to change something. Okay, you don't pay for it because you have a warranty, but you still wait a lot, and you have only 1 or 2 suppliers in your city, and with the rare cars maybe not even in your city. So, and also you don't have enough specialists. And if we talk about some electrical problems, something quite hard to diagnose, then you can spend time only on diagnostic set, because there are a hell of a lot of specialists in Audis, in Toyotas, in Mercedes, in BMWs, everywhere in the world. And yes, you can find and you can choose from several garages and from several official dealers if you have a new car. But with something rare, you are very limited in choice. But if you are a real car enthusiast and you really fell in love with some car, then probably you should go for it. You have only one life and you should buy those cars that you really want, but just be prepared. Be prepared for it, to spend a lot of time and money on it. Maybe you should divorce, or you should have a very understanding wife. But even me, not having a 9-to-5 work and having this vlog, developing it, of course it's not my main job, but still I don't go to the office every day, and I have plenty of time to spend on my cars. But I didn't choose this Alfa Romeo that I dreamed about, just because of the practical thing. I remember a long time ago when I used to sell pre-owned cars, I bought Subaru Legacy with very rare on my market 6-cylinder engine. And it was a nice car, but after a small accident, and maybe not in an excellent condition, but in a good condition overall. It was about 8 years old, but it was repaired by the previous owner after the accident with the parts from another model of Subaru Legacy. And of course it led to a lot of problems. Finally, I overheated the engine, I had problems with the gearbox, and really, I can understand the previous owner, because when you have a car that doesn't have enough value in it, then you repair it after the accident as cheap as it is possible and just sell it for something. And yes, when you want to buy a car on a used car market, then if you are looking for a rare model, then you should check it much more careful, because the chance that you would have some surprise, some lemon in this car is very high, just because it is very hard to find parts, and sometimes you just choose to do something to sell this car. And yeah, that's a very hard and tricky thing, and you should just think about it twice or 3 times or 4 times before making this choice of buying rare cars from unique brand. But if you really want to do it, of course you can go for it. Just be prepared and be informed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Your like would support channel a lot. Subscribe for more interesting information on this channel as well. Thank you and see you soon.